Welcome to Wat Madua, and this is Teacher Dom's online teaching class. Our subject for today is Mathematics for Grade 3. Our topic for today is rounding numbers up to 100,000. But for this particular lesson, we only round off numbers to the nearest 10. Our learning objective is, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to round off numbers to the nearest tens. Our keywords are place value, digit value, hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Here are the general rules for rounding off numbers. If the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round off the number up because these numbers are strong numbers. Example, we have 38, we rounded it up to the nearest 10, it becomes 40. If the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down because these numbers are weak numbers. Example, we have here 33, we rounded it down to the nearest 10, it becomes 30. So here we have number 12, and we look at the ones place, and 2 is a weak number, so 12 becomes 10 when we rounded it off to the nearest 10. 114, 4 is a weak number, it becomes 110. We have 57, 7 is a strong number, it becomes 60. We have here 1,334. 4 is a weak number, so it becomes 1,330. We have another number here, we have 1,488. 8 is a strong number, so it becomes 1,490. We have here another number, 97. 7 is a strong number, so it becomes 100. So again, when you round off numbers to the nearest 10, look at the ones place. For instance, here we have again 12, it becomes 10 because 2 is a weak number. 114, 4 is a weak number, it becomes 110. 58, 8 is a strong number, it becomes 60. We have here 1,344, 4 is a weak number, it becomes 1,340. We have 1,488, 8 is a strong number, so it becomes 1,490. 99, 9 is a strong number, it becomes 100. I have to remind you that we only round off numbers to the nearest 10. For example, here we have 852. We rounded it off to the nearest 10, it becomes 850 because 2 is a weak number. Another example here, we have 2,465. So 5 here is a strong number, it becomes 2,470. Another example is we have 48,566. 6 being at the ones place, it is a strong number, it becomes 48,570. So, for instance, we round off 7,877 to the nearest 10, it becomes 7,880 because 7 being at the ones place is a strong number. Now it's time for the practice test. Let's use numbers to the nearest 10. But first, let us observe the practice test guidelines. Number 1, students, learners should be assisted or guided by their parents or guardians while taking the online test. Number 2, students, learners must complete answering online tests from 1 to 5, 1 point each. Number 3. Learners should fill in the missing numbers in the blank and remember the correct answer. Now let's start with practice test number 1. Round off numbers to the nearest 10, 457. 457. Practice test number 2. Round off numbers to the nearest 10, 561. 561. Round off numbers to the nearest 10, that's number 3, 679. 679. Practice test number 4. Round off numbers to the nearest 10, 1498. 1498. Round off numbers to the nearest 10, that's number 5, 5295. 5295. For this online test, we have a total score of 5. So it is expected that you have a score of 5 over 5. Thanks a lot for following this online lesson for Thai young learners at Wat Madua School, Nonthaburi, Thailand. Keep learning and follow Teacher Dom's online teaching class. See you until the next online lesson. Bye-bye.